Mayeni saw that Macele was not happy for Musamseleku to invite them to her house. Musamseleku told Macele that I want to buy a house for you, but in one condition. My people, my wives and my kids, they are welcomed here. That's why Musamsele could buy a big house for Macele, and there is extra rooms for other kids. Even Munini can invite and sleep in his room. That's why Musamsele could buy a big house for Macele than Mangwabe and Mayeni. So Musamsele was telling his wives that they are welcomed because I told Macele that my kids and my wives are welcomed here. So I can't buy a house for Macele, but my kids and my wives are not welcomed. But Macele was not happy for Musamseleku's decision, what I saw. But she is doing to tolerate Musamseleku. That's why they were playing snooker, but Macele was not playing snooker. She was sitting aside of them on mood. Macele was always in mood when she is with those wives, but when she is with Makwela, always happy. I don't understand Macele, yeah, mission. What's going on with Macele? You understand? If she loves those wives, she loves Makwela. She have to love those wives. You understand? But what I saw to Macele, always being in mood every time. You understand? She doesn't like them at all. Macele, I don't understand the game she is playing. But when it comes to her new house, she is tolerating Musamseleku. Because Musamseleku told her that my people are welcomed. But Mayeni saw that Macele is not okay with that decision. That's why Mayeni says if Macele's friends they are welcome, it's her house. Mayeni saw Macele that Macele was not free with Musamseleku's decision because Musamseleku want to take the decision or want to unite them. Those people, they are living their lives, guys. They are living their lives. Even Macele, she is living her life. Why Musamseleku, when he want to buy a house for Macele, he is telling Macele the condition that my family are welcome to you. Why he can't tell Mangwabe and Mayen? We didn't see when he is telling Mangwabe and Mayen that my family are welcome to you. You understand? But when it comes to Macele have to tolerate everything. You understand? She have to do whatever she want to do with her house than to tell her that it's my family and my kids, they are welcome. Yes, your kids. But what about your family, your those wives? Those wives, guys, they are not getting along. Those wives. Musamseleku, even that meeting he was due at last episode with his wives at Macele's house. Macele doesn't want them at all. You understand? Even Makuma, you know that sometimes Musamseleku, and I don't understand. You know that he want to suppress them. He knows that those people they are not getting along. Makumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Macele. Macele doesn't want them. You understand? But Musamseleku give Macele a pressure to cook for them. You imagine, guys. You know that Macele tolerate everything Musamseleku was telling you. Macele was the one who took her time cook for them, guys. Imagine, cook for the whole family because those people they came with their kids. Mayeni, she was with her kids. Makumalo with Impilo. Everyone, guys. Macele was cooking, guys. What Macele is carrying is very heavy. That woman, she deserves that house. Macele, what I saw, yes, we can say maybe Musamsele could copy Makumalo's house, but hey, guys, that woman tolerate everything, and she was not okay sometimes with Musamsele's decision, but she can tolerate because you can tolerate to cook for another wives. Mayeni can't do the same thing Macele she is doing. That's why Macele was the first wife. Musamseleku took a good decision to make Macele the first wife because Macele tolerate, guys. Macele tolerate Musamseleku a lot. If it was Mayeni can't do this, guys, to cook for other wives, and she is not getting along with those people. And Macele took her time and cook, guys. That woman deserves that house. Sometimes you can say what we want to say. But what I saw, Macele tolerate, guys, because you can't cook, guys, for people you don't like. You understand? But she took her time and cook, and she was doing it for Musamseleku. That's why even Musamseleku was playing snooker with his wives. Macele was sitting aside watching, understand? Because she tolerated her husband a lot.